Hi everyone, welcome to StunnerShare. So in this video, what we are going to see, we are going to see a strategy which I am using in natural gas. It is working from the I started trading in MCX from for example from April 2021. I'm not exactly sure of the date or the month. Before to that I was trading in NSE and all those, and from January to April I was checking the charts of natural gas consistently, and then I understood that okay, a particular strategy works well. So honestly speaking, this particular strategy, whatever I'm trying to say over here, you guys will be seriously will be what, seriously, is this true, or am I fooling you guys? You guys might have these questions, because this is a very simple strategy which I'm using, and every day or whenever I speak with my friends, you guys know that I post my views in brainstormers group, three of us are there. So whenever I post my screenshots of MCX over there, they will be like, bro, teach me MCX. I will be saying bro, it is very simple concept. It is only price action and candlestick. Only stick to candlestick. Nothing needs to be worried. You can easily make some good profit. But they were to be honest, they did not believe that. Okay, they did not believe that. I think for the past 2 weeks or so, they have also started trading into it, and they themselves told that MCX is working in purely candlesticks only. So only a good candlestick can do good, and they themselves started taking trades as well. So that is when I thought that okay, let me reveal one of the strategy which I'm using in MCX or in specific to natural gas. What you guys can do is whatever strategy which I'm trying to say over here, try to check it at least for 2 to 3 years backside, or try to check it in other MCX like copper or crude or gold, like that. And basically I prefer trading in natural gas, crude, copper, silver, gold. Okay, only these five. And please note, to play with these MCX you need a huge capital. Okay, to initially for natural gas, one lot was around 60,000 only. Now it is like 1.4 lakhs. And for copper it was like 70,000 only. Now it is 1.6 lakhs. So it is all in lakhs. So when if you are having a good capital, then you can come into it. And also please note, even 1 point drop can give you a loss in 1,000. For example, for natural gas, if there is a 1 point loss is coming, that will be like 1,250 rupees loss. And the brokerage, I think the minimum brokerage amount is from 150 or 200, I'm not exactly sure. And the brokerage goes as per the lot size you use. Okay, so better to understand all the basics, then jump on to this strategy. First of all, understand what when the MCX market runs, what is the best time frame to use, how to understand MCX in a better way. All these are concepts are there. So now there will be a question still we have not you have not educated, or we are not very clear about the NSE market, but now you have come into MCX. What is this? So for that question, what I would say is this MCX is running today also. Today the market is holiday, but today it is running. From 5 o'clock it is running. From 5 p.m. it is running. So what I'm trying to say is maybe people who are not able to sit in front of the system for a longer time, they can prefer this. Okay, 1 point. People who are not sit in front of the system for a longer time, they can prefer this. Second point is people who is over having a work from 9 to 4, they can prefer this. Okay, and also please note, your patience will be tested. Your patience will be tested. You need to for sure wait for this strategy, then only you will be able to get. I'll tell you from Jan 1st 2021 till date, I'll show you whether this strategy is working good or not. Okay, and let's stick to 1:1. Okay, but honestly speaking, I've got more than 1:1, but let's stick to 1:1 only. Let's see how many trades we have got. For example, in the day of 10 months, let's see how many trades we have got and how many trades are successful. Okay, let me reveal the strategy. First of all, there will be lot of confusions, why this guy is talking this much, so that those questions will be there. So let me put it very simple, very easy manner. Please make a note of all these points. Okay, first of all, let us not use this RSI and all. Let me do this. Okay, let's not use RSI. Okay, the one indicator which is used in MCX is SMA 20. Okay, 20 SMA is must. Okay, why 20 SMA is must? to me, whenever the price is at the 20 MA, I would say that it might take support to me. Okay, this is my understanding. And whenever the price is below the 20 MA, I would wait for any support zone for the price to take support. Okay, so one point is I need an indicator. That indicator is moving average and 20 moving average is needed. Okay, and then there will be like huge confusion, like, no, what is the time frame, which time frame, which time frame. Okay, 4 hours time frame. Okay, so the MCX market starts at 9 AM and ends at 11:30 PM. Okay, IST, all Indian Standard Time only. So starts at 9 AM and ends at 11:30 PM. 1 PM you will get one candle, and at 5 PM you will get second candle, and at 9 PM you will get the third candle. So these are the main things you need to concentrate. First one is indicator 20 SMA. Second one is time frame 4 hours only. Okay, 4 hours only. Now what's next? Okay, let me go to the date. What I told you guys, let us see from the date of Jan 1st 2021. So this is what I told you guys, right? So here is Jan 1st. Okay, now let me reveal the strategy. Please note, and a strict disclaimer in the strategy, whatever strategy discussed over here, or like I did not Google it, or I did not find in any YouTube channel, or none taught me. It's all my understanding, so I can be wrong here also. Like, so please excuse me, and if in case of any fault you have found, please do let me know in the comment section so that I can also work on it. To be honest, 4 months of market watching I did, and then after that 4 months of trade I have done. So this is what I have done in natural gas. So what I would request you guys is like, just check this video completely, and a strict disclaimer applicable. Whatever you are going to play with this market, it's all up to you. I am playing with the proper risk management. Okay, so if you guys are also following with the proper risk management, then you guys will be able to make some good amount of money. Again, a strict disclaimer, your profits and loss, please do not blame me. Okay, let's move on to the strategy. So the first 20 SMA indicator plotted, and we are going to check it from Jan 1st 2021. Second, the thing is the time frame is 4 hours. Yes, the time frame is 4 hours. So now what you need to do, don't get shocked. It is a very easy strategy. You need to find a bullish engulfing pattern. Simple. Okay, you need to find a bullish engulfing pattern. Please find that bullish engulfing pattern, and yeah. Now, as I said, bullish engulfing pattern, people will be like going and searching in the charts. Anywhere it can come, let me find a bullish engulfing pattern. Don't do that. Okay, don't do that. Find the bullish engulfing pattern either touching the SMA or below the SMA, but the gap should not be so huge. Okay, let me explain you. Okay, I'm starting it from Jan 1st 2021. I will concentrate only on bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, let me check that. Okay, till now I could not see any bullish engulfing pattern. This is not a bullish engulfing pattern, so I am avoiding it. So I have not found any bullish engulfing pattern for now. Okay, I have not found any bullish engulfing pattern. I have not found. Okay, here is one bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, now it's up to you guys whether you want a red candle and then a green candle, or you just a bullish engulfing pattern where this engulfing pattern has engulfed 2 candles. Okay, but this is not an ideal bullish engulfing pattern, so let us ignore this. So till 25th of Jan, we have not got any trade with respect to bullish engulfing pattern near or very near to 20 SMA. Okay, now let us go further. I'm going further. Okay, here is one bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, so here is one bullish engulfing pattern. It is a red candle and then a green candle, and that is a bullish engulfing pattern. So you can enter above this candle. So above this candle is 204.2 would be your entry, and then the SL is 199.7. So almost it is like 4.5 points is the stop loss. So 4.5 points means 4.5 into 1250. So 5,625 rupees you are going to lose. So that is what you should have in your mind whenever you are going to take a trade. So this is a stop loss where you will be losing 5,625. And now what market has given is like, the market that day ended around 209.9. So which is around, okay, let us calculate that as well. 209.9 minus 204.2, which is 5.7 into 1250. So you have got 7,125 rupees. Okay, so this is with respect to 1:1 ratio. Okay, if you are still holding the trade, then that's up to you. You wanted to hold it and move the SL, it's all up to you. But I'm going to concentrate only on 1:1. So the first trade is successful. Okay, let me put that first trade is successful. Now let us go to the next bullish engulfing pattern where it is forming. Okay, so till date, like Feb 4, 2021, we have got only one trade, and that one trade has given a good successful trade. Okay, now let us see whether any bullish engulfing pattern is formed. Please don't ask whether I can consider bearish engulfing pattern, whether I can consider bullish harami pattern. I'm not discussing all those. I'm going to concentrate only on bullish engulfing pattern, which I noticed, which is working, which I'm also preferring. Clear? So now let us see. Okay. Till now I have not found any bullish engulfing pattern, and the price is trading below the 20 SMA. That is not showing a lot of bullishness. It is sort of bearishness only. Okay, but till now I have not got any bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, I'm still waiting, and it's like March 10th has we have come till March 10th or March month, and till now we have not got any bullish engulfing pattern. So out of 3 months, only one trade is successful with bullish engulfing pattern, and in the time frame of 4 hours. Now let me also go further. Okay, so here if you see, there is one bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, and if you see, the distance between the 20 SMA and the candlestick is very huge. So the possibility of getting attracted towards the candle is always there, but let us see whether it is at any support zone. If you could see, this is at a support zone. Okay, this is a gap zone, right? This is at a support zone. So if you want, you can take this trade also. This is a good setup, to be very honest, because the stop loss is also less. 182.3 is the entry point, 180.5 is the stop loss. So almost 182.3 minus 180.5. So into 1250. So your loss will be like 2250 only. Okay, and the next candle itself given 184.7. Okay, so which is nearly 2.3 points, which is more than your stop loss. Okay, so the second trade is also successful, but this trade we have not like reacted, or we have not taken this trade when it is near the SMA. We have taken the trade just at the support zone. We notice that there is a support zone, and based on that support zone only we have taken a trade. Okay, now the second trade is also successful. Now let us move further. Let us wait and see for any bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, so here is one bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, so this is one bullish engulfing pattern, but if you could see in a smaller time frame, before giving an entry, this low is already broken. Okay, before taking an entry, this low is already broken. You can check in other time frame also. So before your entry point is getting triggered, if the stop loss is already like a touch, then avoid this trade. Okay, then avoid this trade. But if you have taken it also, it has already given a good move, but we are not exactly sure. But if you check it in the lower time frame, before giving an entry, the stop loss is already hit, so we are avoiding this trade. So out of 2 trades till March 22, 2021, we have got 2 successful trades. Now let us again wait for a bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, so if you see over here, here is one bullish engulfing pattern. If you also see, it is engulfing a lot of candles inside it. Okay, so this is engulfing all these candles. Okay, so this is a very good bullish engulfing pattern, but if you notice, the stop loss is around 7 points. So what is 7 points? 7 into 1250, which is around 8750 points as stop loss. So if you are going to enter this trade over here, your stop loss will be low, but see after it enter how much it has gone. So from 187.8, it has gone to 197.5, which is nearly 10 points. With the stop loss of 8750, you have got 12,500 as stop loss. Okay, but as and when your entry has got triggered, you can keep the stop loss at here also. Okay, why? Because it has given a pullback and then it has started going upwards. So you can prefer a stop loss at here also. But it all comes from experience only. It all comes from experience only. It does not come like straight away, or it does not come that easily. It all comes from experience only. So based on that experience, you can prefer keeping an SL over here. Okay, so out of 3 trades, we have got 3 trades which are successful. We are preferring only 4-hour time frame and bullish engulfing pattern only. Okay, and here Here is also a bullish engulfing pattern which is engulfing more than 7 or 6 candles over here, but we have not got entry triggered. Before the entry got triggered, the stop loss was touched, so the entry is not triggered at this case. Okay, let us move for searching another bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, so here is one bullish engulfing pattern. So this is one bullish engulfing pattern and it is also near the 20 SMA. So if you want, you can go for an entry. 182.2 will be your entry point and 183.3 will be your stop loss. So around 6 point as stop loss, so which is will be around 7,500, and it has given a pullback, and after that see how far it has gone. We will just wait for 1:1. So if you are entering about over here, your profit should be at 195.5, which is around here 195.3. It has already hit. Okay, so here also we have got, so 4 successful trades till now, till April 2021. Okay, now let us again see, is there any other bullish engulfing pattern? Yes, we have got a bullish engulfing pattern over here. Again, this is a 7-point stop loss trade. If you wanted to go for an entry, you can go for an entry, or if you wanted to go for entry only with 3 to 4 point stop loss also, it is up to you. So you have to wait for that particular setup. Okay, and do not ask me, is there any screener for this? Honestly speaking, there is no screener for this. I don't see any website which is giving an alert for MCX. So if you guys have any thoughts or any screener which can give MCX alerts, please let me know. That will be helpful for me also. So if you had entered around here 198.7 and your stop loss will be 191.1, though it has given pullback towards 194, but it gave our target. So our target should be around 205. So we have got over here, like around here itself, like 205, which has got over here. Okay, so again, out of 5 trades, 5 trades are successful. Now let us move and check another bullish engulfing pattern. Here is one bullish engulfing pattern. Again, this is a 8-point trade, and we have also got a 8-point profit as well. So here we have got more than 8-point profit as well. So till now we are just checking 1:1. We have not moved further upside. Okay, and now, okay, let us again check for bullish engulfing pattern. 5 trades are profitable, and now here also we have got a bullish engulfing pattern. And whether is it at a support zone? Yes, it is below the 20 SMA. Also it is at a support zone. So okay, this is a support zone. Here it has taken support, here it has taken support, now here it's also taken support. So if you had just entered with 3.3 points as stop loss, you would have easily got the profit in the next candle itself. So next candle itself gave 3 points move. Okay, so these are such a type of trade. Like till May we have got like 6 trades, and 6 trades are successful one. Very easiest and simplest strategy which I'm trying to tell you guys. You guys do the you guys do the back testing and check whether this is working good or not. You need not check this video completely. Just pass it over here or close this video, go to Naturalgas, put 4 hours time frame, only plot the 20 SMA and check for bullish engulfing pattern and see whether it is working good or not. Okay, and then again let us see another bullish engulfing pattern. Here is one bullish engulfing pattern, and see whether it is at a support zone or not. And I could see that it is also at a support zone. Okay, I'm just drawing it. Okay, here initially it was facing some resistance, and here also resistance. Now that resistance is converted to a support, and this overall range is around 3.4 points, and we have got the profit as well. Here is one bullish engulfing pattern, but I don't see any entry. Before to that, the low was already touched, so it is an avoidable scenario. Then I don't see any bullish engulfing pattern over here, and here is one bullish engulfing pattern, and here the stop loss is around 6.8 points. And unfortunately, out of 7 trades till now, we have got all 7 trades successful, but this trade got a loss. So for example, here the stop loss is around 6.8, and the high made is around like 241.7, which is nearly 1.7 only, but the stop loss got hit. So out of 8 trades, 7 trades profitable and 1 trade stop loss got hit. Okay, no worries. So let us check for another bullish engulfing pattern if it is coming or not. So here is one bullish engulfing pattern. If you want, you can take. Why? Because this is also at a support zone only. If you could see, it has bounced back from this low and then gave a breakout, then a retest. So this is also a support zone where the stop loss is around 3.4 points, and it has given a good move as well. And after that, let us see whether any bullish engulfing pattern. So I could not see any bullish engulfing. Yeah, here is one bullish engulfing pattern which is around like 6.5, like 6.3 points as stop loss, and we have got all that as well. Like we have got nearly 8 points move over here. And any other bullish engulfing pattern would help us. Let us see. Yes, here is one bullish engulfing pattern, and this is also at the support zone. Okay, so this is around 3.1 points as stop loss, and it has given a good move as well. Here is also a bullish engulfing pattern, engulfing 3 to 4 points, but the stop loss is around 10 points, but still it has moved. But if you wanted to try 10 point stop loss, it is up to you. So out of 10 trades, one trade is alone stop loss hit, and after that I don't find any bullish engulfing. Here is one bullish engulfing pattern, like engulfing like 2 to 3 candles. Again, if you want to consider only red candle followed by green candle, then this is an avoidable scenario. If you are considering this as a bullish engulfing pattern, then this is around like 11 point stop loss, and your stop loss got hit. Okay, so just understand whether you wanted to go for a 11 point stop loss trade. To be very honest, I won't go for 11 point stop loss trade. Why to take risk with 11 point stop loss? I would prefer 3 or 4 or 5, maximum 7 point stop loss trade I would prefer. Anyways, I will take this as a stop loss hit trade. So out of 11 trades, 2 is stop loss hit and 9 is target hit. And here is one bullish engulfing pattern. This is also a 10 point stop loss trade, and all it has given more than 10 points. So 11 points target is hit. Okay. So out of 12 trades, 2 stop loss hits and 10 profit hit. Okay, here is one bullish engulfing pattern, but I don't see any entry trigger. Before to that, the lowest touch. So this trade is avoided. And then any other bullish engulfing pattern. Okay. So this is not a bullish engulfing pattern. The low is big, and this is a bullish engulfing pattern. But again, I think the low is touched before the price point, so I'm not exactly sure. But let us take this as a stop loss hit trade itself. So 3 stop loss hits trade. And then any other bullish engulfing pattern. Here is one bullish engulfing pattern. So in this bullish engulfing pattern, only 2.9 is stop loss, and it has given a good move. So 11 trades which are profitable, and here is one bullish engulfing pattern which is like 14 points stop loss. I would avoid this trade, but still it has given a good move as well. Okay, so let us see any other bullish engulfing pattern. So I could not see any other bullish engulfing pattern here. So this is one bullish engulfing pattern which 6 points trade, and it has given 6 point move as well. So 13 trades which are profitable, and around 3 to 4 trades which are like stop loss hit. And after that, I don't see any other bullish engulfing pattern over here. Okay, here is one bullish engulfing pattern which is also around 17 point stop loss. Why to take that trade? Avoid that trade. That is what I would say. But if you have also taken a trade with 17 points, your target is also hit. So to be very honest, out of 15 or 16 trades, or like I'm not exactly sure, 4 trades are stop loss hit, and more than 13 to 14 trades are profit hit. Okay, we are just going with 1:1 ratio. We are not going with a bigger ratio. Okay, just with 1:1 ratio, we are able to make a good profit. And what I would again suggest you is, like, based on your risk appetite, prefer your stop loss and prefer your trade. Why am I saying is, like, I basically avoid 17 point stop loss trade. Why to take risk with 17 points? Avoid those 17 points. Do not take risk with 17 points. Just to prefer the trade for which your stop loss is like you are manageable, or you are ready to accept that risk. Okay, so this is what the strategy I wanted to say. Many will be like surprised or shocked or able to believe that, but what I'm trying to say is, like, very simple. 4-hour time frame, natural gas from Jan 2021 till date, 4-hour time frame, 20 SMA and bullish engulfing pattern, either near the SMA, or if it is above or below the SMA, try to find a support zone and then prefer a trade. Okay, this is what the strategy is all about. Okay, try it out. Try it out means check it out at least. At least go to the what is it called 4-hour time frame and do some backtesting and then check it out. At least check it out. Check backtest it and see whether it is working good or not. Okay. Again, I'm advising you guys, prefer very less risk trade, so that you will be able to, at least if the stop loss is also hit, you will be able to accept that, okay, the stop loss is hit, no matter, I have sufficient amount of capital. Next trade, let me check it out. Okay, do not go for 15 points or 17 points trade, and do not risk a lot, and that will be like burning your hands. Clear? So that's it from my side. I hope I have shared a useful content here. If you feel the content is good, kindly give a like, and please share this to your friends and family so that they will also be benefited. Please share it with the guys who are trading the MCX, and they will also be benefited. Okay, a simple strategy. I hope this will be helping you guys. Clear? And that's it from my end. If you feel the content is good, kindly give a like, and what else? Stick disclaimer are also available. Share your feedback in the comment section. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned for more videos.